all mothers may actually be healthy, those who may have babies. She could be a diabetic. She could even be an HIV positive person. So this HIV positive person, is she fit enough to feed her baby, or is it anything contrary to this?
Okay. So there was a time when it was realized that the breastfeeding may be a potent source of infection in the baby. But simultaneously, it's very important to know that the breastfeeding protects from a lot of infections that are pretty common in low and middle income countries.
Right.
So with the recent emergence of evidence, it was found that if the mother is being treated well for the HIV, then the load of HIV virus is very low in the breast milk.
Okay.
So with continuation of therapy, mother can very well feed the babies as well. But ultimately, the choice is left to the mother. The evidence suggests that the HIV positive mother with treatment, with baby's treatment, can continue with breastfeeding for 6 months, and then she can start complementary feeding.
Okay. And now another thing, if we look at our urban setup specifically, we'll find that mothers would not really want to feed their babies for all that long. Maybe the reasons could be many. She could be a career woman, or she could be conscious of her body type, of her body shape and all that, and may not really want to feed the baby. So is this a myth that a woman's figure is going to be disfigured and things like those? Why is it that every mother must breastfeed her baby?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a